We're going to the grocery store and we're going to take you with us. Once these are on, do not touch your face.
Don't touch what?
Your face. If you're one of those, stay home. These go in the trash, not on the floor. Just saying. Okay, let me clean my cart. Yes! They only have one left. They only have one left. Yes. That's what I came for. We got it. Oh. Disinfectant wipe. Just to be extra cautious. I'm gonna wipe down my mask. And then let that chill. I'll let my wheel. Everything. Okay, can I have a clean one? Oh, there.
Clean what? We need to keep a bag in
these.
here for trash.
I did. And I'm gonna disinfect our soda because what did I tell you? Grab it from the bottom so that we could drink it. And what did the girl do when she was scanning it? Scan. I was like, gotta drink that, honey. So let that dry before you. I don't know how safe that is, but I'd rather get sick from inhaling cleaning products than get the corona. She's always like, oh my god, you're crazy. When I could take her grocery shopping, I make her sanitize her hands like 1,700 times. My vlog. Oh. And I'm like, don't touch that thing. She gets like, oh my god. But I'm like, hello, you're at work. Okay, ma'am, round 2. Nope. Where's your gloves and your mask? The sky. So here we actually feel us smiles too. Yay! We got what we needed from supplies.
Her Facebook or Instagram, whatever it is, she has the directions how to make them. But anyway, they're turbans.
Oh, I almost bought one the other day.
They look really. I'd
Nice.
like to have one.
Oh, they have them. I almost bought a black one the other day, and I was like, I don't know how that would look on my head.
I don't either, but
It was only $2 too.
really,
I should have got it. Yeah.
where?
On Shein.
Oh, on your.
Yeah. I just placed a big order. Not of clothes. Well, some clothes, but
He was gonna kill you.
it's okay. It's well,
So
I'm out of debt. I wanted to celebrate. And I still have money left over and I still have money left for my bills. Paid off all my credit cards today. Tomorrow I'm paying off my car. I'm making carne asada tacos. We're in the house. And safe. So I'm making carne asada tacos. I have carne on the stove cooking. So I'm gonna make some salsa. Good. It's one of these, somebody's Linden. I guess. Tamales. Peeled and everything. Did I cut my finger? Okay, I sliced my finger, so that's fun. I literally sliced my finger. I forgot it wasn't recording, so I chopped up the jalapeno. I took out the seeds, added cumin, salt, pepper, garlic salt, and then a handful of cilantro, and blended it up. Now I'm gonna make elote for the salmon tacos. That is the salsa. Smells so good. So you know what? I'm gonna start on the guacamole. I'm gonna keep it very simple because my boyfriend is lactose and he can't have sour cream. So
You're so bad.
into there it goes. Cool. Okay. I can. Oh my god. Yes. Oh, here. Tortilla cheese. Okay. So, a lot of people add sour cream to theirs. I'm not. My boyfriend is lactose. So, can't use that. But, these are my seasonings. Garlic powder. This is literally just tastes like garlic. There's no salt in it. Because Mama has to watch her salt. So I'm going to use some regular salt over here. Okay. And then just some pepper. People like to add cilantro and tomatoes and onions. I'm not. Because I don't have to. But you said it was so. Okay. Meat.
Just put it away, right?
Yeah. So that I can throw that in there. Hot. Okay. Oh my god, this is so hot. My god.
Well, wait till it cools down.
So I'm just roughly chopping. Okay, we're gonna do elote off the cob. Dinner is ready. Boom. This has no sour cream in it, so you can eat it. It's just avocado.
Okie dokie.
Yes. I'm just gonna grab it with my fingers because you are taking too long. My boy. I tried to cut it small and then my hands got tired. So, you know. And Grandma didn't really cut this that well. I have a twig.
Sorry.
There you go. Just a little bit of onions.
This salsa is so good.
I just made it. Did you taste it? I haven't tasted it.
Real well.
Onion fingers.
It tastes like this, I say.
Who?
We have a sauce in Puerto Rico. We call it fricassee. It looks just like that.
So what I'm hearing is it's very delicious. You should keep making it.
Thank you.